Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. I've been gone for quite some time because I just had a baby. This is little Zoe. She's 5 months. And yeah, I want to get back to filming my videos. So the first one I want to start with is a highly requested video on how I got the curls that I had in a previous video, which was my video of making this headboard. And if you guys saw the video, you know that I made this headboard, but it was actually like over 5 feet, and I lowered the headboard. I took the legs down because I wanted to add pictures above, because I'm always changing things up. So instead of making a new headboard, I just took the legs off and made it a little shorter. But anyway, yeah, I'm going to do the video on how I got those curls. And if you guys want to see, just stay tuned. I'm gonna go put this little girl down and I'll get started with the video. Say bye, Zoe. Say bye bye. Say bye bye, guys. Say bye bye. This is what I do at night. I take my paddle brush and just separate it into two. Comb it. And the curls will be like this. So that's normally how I wear my hair, something like that. And I'll take some spray, either this or this. I don't want it to be heavy, so I just use the spray. Because usually if it's too heavy, then the curls, they fall flat pretty easy. So you need some bobby pins. I just have 4 bobby pins. I'll find the other one. And I just make sure it's all smooth. Take it from the top and start twisting it like this. Twist like this to my scalp. And I brush and make sure it's smooth. Just twist, twist, twist. And then start twisting it around like this. Into a bun. Or a bantu knot, whatever you want to call it. And sometimes I'll take a hair bow and secure it, or just 2 bobby pins and secure it. Secure it at the tail. Okay, and I'm going to do this side. Exact same thing. Yeah, and excuse these edges, y'all. My edges came out again because I just had a baby, and for some reason, after I have babies, I lose my edges, and I lost them big time this time because I had some other things I was stressing about. So I had double hair loss. So, excuse my edges, guys. And I just put this little thing on my head at night. But first, before I do that, I'm going to put a little bit of this, heck, whatever, gel or edge control on these edges. Just so when I wake up, everything will be laid down. Just a little. Look at those edges, y'all. Let me see if y'all can see. Just growing back. Lost them again. But whatever. I'll grow back again. So yeah, I put this cap right here on at night like this. And I cover up those knots. And I'm gonna go to sleep and I will take it down tomorrow. Hey guys, so it's the next day and I'm gonna just go ahead and show you guys how I take it down. Take my comb. And just comb it out. Step aside, Zoe, so I can show them. And I normally just take this part and swoop it to the back. Okay guys, I came to my room because it was kind of like yellow in the kitchen and changed my shirt because my hair is kind of the same color as that shirt I had on. So yeah, this is what it looks like when I'm done. But yeah, so if you guys like this type of video, if this is the type of videos you guys want to see, let me know in the comments below, and I'll try my best to get those up for you guys. And until then, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you do subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. Say thanks for watching my mommy. Say thanks for watching my mommy. Tell them, Zoe, thanks for watching mommy. That's her thank you. Bye.